Thank you for purchasing your testing kit from 5Strands, and welcome to the 5Strands Register My Kit page. Before you click the Register My Kit button, we encourage you to watch this video to know exactly what comes inside your 5Strands kit and to understand how to create your customer portal account successfully. Inside your kit, you will find the following: a return bag for the box, an anti-static bag with parchment paper on the inside for collecting your hair sample, a unique code sticker, one on the anti-static bag and one on the leave behind card, a shipping return label, and the actual leave behind card. When creating your account, you'll be prompted to provide a unique testing kit ID number. This number can be found on the 5Strands leave behind card inside your kit. This testing kit ID number connects your customer portal to your results. 5Strands not only has an online portal, but a mobile app that is free to download. On this app, you'll not only be able to see your results when they're completed, but to answer surveys while you wait to earn free tests. However, in order to complete your testing results, we need your hair sample. 5Strands asks for you to provide us with 10 to 15 strands, at least 1 inch in length. If shorter, we ask for 20 to 25 strands. Place the hair sample inside the provided parchment paper and then inside the anti-static bag. Be sure that your anti-static bag also has your unique testing kit ID number on it before sending that back to 5Strands, or else we'll have no clue whose kit we received. Once your customer portal account has been created and your sample has been collected, you're now ready to send your kit back to 5Strands. Place the anti-static bag inside the 5Strands box. Close the box and place that box inside the return bag. The last step is to stick the prepaid return shipping label on the top of the return bag and place that inside the mailbox. 5Strands will notify you via email once we have received your hair sample at the processing center safely. Testing results are often complete within 5 to 7 days of your sample's arrival. And if you have any additional questions or difficulties creating your account, please contact us directly at 833-600-8378 or email us at info@5strands.com. Better health is just a hair away.